this video, I'm going to show you how to add bots to your Discord server. So there's many websites that you can add bots to Discord servers from, but this one I would definitely recommend the most. So it's called top.gg. You just type that into Google and it's the first thing that pops up. And on here, you can either search for a specific bot or see the top trending bots right now, or the newest bots that were just added. And you can also see there are some that are promoted on the top. And let's say today I want a top bot to join my Discord server, and this time is going to be Idle Farm. Okay, what you do is just select a bot, in my case Idle Farm, press invite. It's gonna redirect you to that page, and you have to select a server that you want your bot to be in. Okay, so you just select a server. In my case, it's the only one I've got. Press continue, leave all the check marks on, nothing bad's gonna happen, and then click on authorize, confirm that you are human, and you can see the notification here. The bot has been added to your Discord server. Okay, so if you do not want to use this bot anymore or want it gone from your server, you simply right click on that bot, press kick on and the name of the bot, press kick, and the bot is going to leave the server, and that's it.